ooh, ah, ooh, la, ah, bah, ooh, ah, calling them dead, ooh, ah, bah, ah, ooh, ah. So here's my my hair, and what I'm gonna do now, these at the top, it's kind of hard to get through it. Actually, I'm gonna get another one because I want a small, well, I guess this one do. Yeah, here's one. They are heavy, so I have to like put my finger through it to get the loop, and they're thick. They're very thick. So after I do that, I take my crochet hook. I figure out where I want to put it, so I'm going to put this one right here. And I found out it's best to go underneath and then put the hair on the hook, pull it through, take the hook out, open up the little loop again as much as you possibly can, and then take the end part and pull it through. And this is, to me, I don't know, like I feel like it doesn't take that long, but you really have to have the patience to get this through, because usually crochets are not as hard to get through, but I feel like these are a bit difficult just because they're so thick. But as you see, they look really good. Like, it looks pretty natural. So I'm going to show you how I do the rest. I'm going to finish it on camera. Oh, by the way, you guys, I try to do every other one. And also another tip is at the top part, if you can find smaller ones, because you don't want too much tension on your edges. And like I said, these are pretty thick, and they're kind of heavy. Even though they're short, they are a little bit heavy. So I just feel like I always say the thinner looking ones for the top part. But y'all see how good it's looking? Like, honestly, as I'm doing it, I'm like, wow, like it does look really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep, like I said, I'm just gonna keep going, and yeah. camera was acting up. I panicked because my camera literally went black and I couldn't get it to cut on, but I realized it was my battery. But anyways, so y'all, this is the hair. It's very chunky, butterfly-ish. It's thick locks, and there's thick short locks pretty much. I did it to where, and by the way, I'm looking in a mirror right here, but I did it to where I guess I could, if I wanted to, move it around. If I move it around a little bit, I might have to put like a few more extras in there. But overall, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I think I want to wear it like this. The hair, I think, yeah, it came with 6 packs as I showed you guys in the beginning. And honestly, I have a bit over, like, it's probably like one and a few pieces of another bag in here. So it's quite a lot of hair left over. And my hair is really thick, y'all, and my head is kind of big. So for me to be able to have some hair left over, that is nice. The install process, I guess, it's not the easiest, just because, like, as you see, they are thick. These things are not like, I guess they're not like, they're not easy. I feel like if they were thinner, of course, but of course they're butterfly locks, so they're going to be a bit thicker. You want to make sure that you don't like cornroll your hair super tight, just because once you put them in your hair, it is going to be kind of tight. And you know, this is supposed to be a protective style, so you're trying to protect your hair underneath. I think it's like, I don't know how many is in here, but it's quite a few in my head. But I would personally say that this hair overall, like, it looks pretty good. I just feel like it's kind of heavy, so I don't really like that it's heavy. You know, I wish that it felt like more like lightweight. Like, you know how some synthetic hair or even some braiding hair, if you do like any type of crochet, it feels very light. Well, this feels heavy on your head. But if you're used to that, I guess try it. But honestly, like I said, I would definitely do the top part of my hair like really loose when I braid it. Not really loose because you don't want them to slip out, but not really tight, if that makes sense, because it does kind of like tug a little bit. But overall, this is really quick and easy. I think I did this like under 2 hours, and that was me including my hair. Like, braiding my hair always takes forever, and I really don't like to braid my hair at all. My hair hates to be braided. I don't know why, but like when I take it down, it's always like, it's just not as moisturized. And I did moisturize my hair though. I ended up putting shea butter, the white kind, my favorite one, and then I put aloe vera juice. But yeah, overall, this is the hair, and I'll get a close-up. It does look like that I actually locked my hair. It doesn't look like crochets. So I wanted to see, like, how does it look if I just do cornrows going all the way back, and not, you know what I mean, like not doing the, you know how you do the little squares? Because y'all, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, that takes too long for me, and my hair is already unruly, and I ain't got time for that. So I was like, I'm just gonna try to do straight backs. But yeah, overall, this is, I mean, it looks good. Like I said, I can like pull it over if I want to. I can wear it back in the middle part. So if I missed any in the back, it's okay, because I can always go back in there. I didn't even look to see how I did it, so it could be that I'm like, I don't know, I'm probably missing some pieces in the back, but I can go back and fix that. But overall, tell me how you like this hair in the comment box below, and I will link a link to the company where they sent me this hair. I will leave a link to their website to where you can purchase it. And yeah, ooh, it is kind of tight still. I feel like if anything kind of tugs at my hair, and I did it too, and I tried to do it loose, but of course, like I said, trying to get these through your braid, it can be a bit like tough on your scalp. But overall, this is the hair. How do you like it? Tell me in the comment box below. If you haven't liked this video yet, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you'd like to share this hairstyle with anybody. And I will see you guys on my next video. And by the way, I did say that I wanted to post every day. I decided, honestly, like Monday through Saturday, I decided to do like every other day. So I'll probably do like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. No Sunday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. So that's 4 times. So I'm gonna try to keep up with that schedule and see how it goes. But yeah, if you have any video ideas you want me to do, definitely link them in the comment box below, and I will see y'all on my next video.